guys, if you have a vinyl flooring in your garage that is no longer pretty looking and is pretty stained up and gross, like the one we have in this house that we just purchased to renovate and want to replace it, it's pretty right. We removed the vinyl floor and you can see that the adhesive is left behind, as well as the previous tenant must have used some thinset or the self-leveling concrete here, which is underneath this adhesive. So we're just going to take that up now so we can get back to this, which is the concrete floor. So to get this off, we're using a hammer drill function. And then we're also using a floor scraper to take off any excess after using the drill off of the concrete. Careful not to nick up the concrete that's underneath, and that's how you take off this thinset.
So we are pretty close to removing all the thinset that's on top of the concrete. As you can see, it's quite a big job, so make sure that you have some construction garbage bags or side lawn pickup for the garbage bags and the tiles to get rid of all of the debris from the demo. But we're about, I would say, halfway done. And you saw earlier in the video that we were using the hammer as well as the scraping blade. And obviously it's a little bit labor intensive, but it's gonna be well worth it and it's gonna save you guys thousands of dollars. It's finished. You want to make sure that it's clean, broom swept. You see that we got all of the quick set off. And we're going to patch up any holes or repairs that need to be done now with a quick drying filler. You can see I started over here. You can see the divots that are in there from the hammer drill that we're going to repair.